In this video, I'll show you how you can change your name on Webull. Now, what you should do is download the app real quick because it's much easier from the app. And then what you want to do is launch your Webull app, go to the account Help Center, which is basically click on Webull logo and go to Help Center. Once you're in there, you want to go to Submit a Request, select Account Issues, and choose Name Change. Now in here, what you need to do is fill in everything that it wants you to do. So it can be legal proof of your name, all this stuff, like if you changed your name or if you made a typo in your name or stuff like this. Once you put that in and you send them the documents to prove that it is your real name, you just have to wait for Webull to review your request. Now this can take a few business days, so just keep in mind if it doesn't happen immediately, you just have to wait and be patient. Now once they approve it, your name on your account will be updated completely. So that is how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.